You can see she's actually in there right now. She's maybe double the size of the worker bees. And she's in that cage so they can feed her and they can get to her and they can feed, take care of her. And on either side, it actually looks like it's corked.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to put a marshmallow in there.
Okay. I have to go get one.
Yep. So
I'm gonna lay her here.
That's okay. We're gonna wait. You'll see with this queen excluder, oftentimes they have fondant, but there's no fondant in them. Oh, there's one little bee. She's coming to say hi to me. Hey bee, what's up? I have your mamas. So we're actually going to very gently take that cork out and put a marshmallow in there. And that will allow the bees to eat through it to her. So that's what we're waiting for right now. You can see they're all buzzing around. We haven't just dumped them just yet. I'm actually going to put her down so they can find her. Okay. You could
If I
even, you
were
want to know
to-
what? I would just push that cork down in there with her. I just push it in.
But I don't want to lose her.
But that's why I'm saying push the cork in and then cap it. There you go.
Like that.
Yep. There you go.
Okay.
Now it's the cork. Let's make sure that the cork, yeah, she's fine. Okay.
Hold on to that for
Yep.
a second.
So what we just did is we replaced the cork with a marshmallow, and that's going to allow the bees some time to eat through that marshmallow so they can get through the queen. And so you could see that they found her right away. Right. And now we're going to get the rest of these guys going. So to do that, we're actually going to have to remove more of the top bars. And we're gonna shake them out in here.
One more spray.
Yep, one more
Gently
spray.
give it to it. Nothing big.
Yeah, you don't, again, it's just very gentle.
We're going to spank them a little bit like this, but it will not hurt them.
Okay, here we go. Dumping them out. Woo, look at all those bees. That's about 15,000 of them. There we go. They're all coming out. Okay.
Okay.
So now, while they're in there, we're going to take these top bars and just put them on top. They like it dark. They actually really like it dark. They prefer it dark. Dad, why don't you get the brush so we can start brushing them down?
Okay.
And quickly brush. Let's brush this side. Yep, good.
Okay. Okay.
All right, so the top bars are on. You can see they're already trying to figure out how on earth do we get in there. They'll figure it out. That we have the screens on there to prevent robbing, and they'll take them a little bit, but they'll figure it out. That box we put under the hive. The bees that are in there still will actually smell their queen, and they will come out looking for her, and they'll be able to find their way into the hive. So we're just going to leave them out there. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to put the top on, and we're going to leave them be. No pun intended.